In this video, we're going to show how to create your own clip art and add it to your clip art library. And so first of all, we'll look under the Tools drop-down menu where you see Clip Art Library, and currently I can choose to insert clip art, but I can't choose to create clip art, and that's because I will need to first select something that I would like to, add to our clip art library. So let's go back to our design window for a minute, and here I have some embroidery designs that I've already inserted from the clip art library. These were objects that I created from symbols, and let's just say, why don't I even do, I'll just quickly add another symbol here to show how you can combine multiple things. So I guess it doesn't really matter what we pick, but maybe we'll just pick like a little, flag, insert. And so I'll put a flag on my screen, and then I'll I'll close the insert symbol tool. And so here's my flag. Let's just decide that it's going to have a black outline and a red paint fill. And let's take our little symbol that we created here before and put it on the flag so that it looks like it's part of the flag, I guess. And we'll give that a black outline and let's say a yellow fill. So here I've got two different shapes that I've created, and I'm going to select them both by dragging a box. And so notice I have them, they are both selected. All right, so here I have something, and I guess the reason I wanted to select two things was to demonstrate that clip art are not necessarily just simple shapes of artwork, but they're actually embroidery designs that can be made up of, in some cases, several objects or even dozens of objects. And so here I've got two different things that I put together as a design element, and now we'll say Tools, Clip Art Library, and now we can choose Create Clip Art. So it's going to give us the opportunity to insert this flag in, but first we'll need to draw some reference points. And so it's waiting, it's brought me to a mouse that's like a cursor, and it wants me to draw in 2 points. So you know when I insert clip art, how I have to click once and click second? This is now saying, where do you want us to click? I could draw the points through the center, and then that flag would always be kind of balanced on the middle of the line I drew. Or I could draw the points along the bottom, and then the flag would always be kind of sitting above the line that I draw. Does that make sense? So let me demonstrate. I'll choose the center. So I'll put a point here, and I just click and drag, and then let go there. So that is now going to create the clip art. So it needed that final green line to be added. And here, let's call it flag. And, you could create even a tag for it for, flags if you wanted or whatever. And it could be called pirate flag or symbol flag, whatever. And okay, so now it's been created. It's part of our clip art library. And at any time, we could say Tools, Insert Clip Art. It brings us up with an option. We know it's called flag. We start typing in flag. There's our flag. Choose it and say insert. Now notice the green line, when I drag, the flag is centered on it. And that's what I was talking about. When you create clip art, you're actually creating that where that green line is, so that, when you go to create new copies of your flag, do you want to drag along the bottom or the center or the top? Basically, is kind of the main choices. Anyway, that's how you can create your own clip art, adding it to the clip art library. So when you create your newest, favoriteest design and you want to use it again, special heart, you're going to use lots of times, add it to your clip art library and make it easy to sort of recycle that design at any time.